Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBP USD analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMA. So this was your new high. Okay, then pullback probably. And then we should go up. So overall, the trend is up. All right, because this low was not broken by this low. So we continued up. Then we came down. This is your new high. Now we have to see. In weekly, we might take down this high. Okay, most probably we will take down this high in weekly chart. Coming back to daily here. In daily, let's see. Okay, so in a daily, we are surely going to eat this red candle today. That's your entry for long. Okay, so this blue candle is going to engulf this red candle now. So these 3 blue candles are going to engulf this big red candle. That's your long entry. Coming back to 4 hour, we will be ending up above the EMA very soon. Before that, we might have a pullback as well. So don't be afraid if the price goes up before bouncing back off. Okay, so this is your new high. This is your previous high. Okay, so if you want to trade in 4 hour, you should target this this take profit in 4 hour. Otherwise, in the daily chart, I think we are going to take down this high. Okay, so I'm pretty much in a long position here, so look for longs. And I don't trade any short time intervals, so don't fool yourself that you can make money using scalping or blah blah blah. You might make money sometimes and then you will lose all the money in next time. Okay, so pro traders only trade daily chart. It's not just me. You ask anybody or you do your own research and watch videos of other traders on YouTube. Everybody will say, and they do only, and myself as well, I only do daily chart trading. Okay, it's crystal clear here that if this red candle is going to be engulfed by this blue candle today, in next 2-3 hours when the day finishes, it's quite obvious that we will go up. Now, because you know what happens in daily chart, if you can get the analysis right in daily chart, you can minimum makes $100. Sorry, 100 pips, even if you're taking a counter trade. Okay, so let's say this is your new downtrend and pullback is happening. So even if the pullback is happening, you can still easily make 100 pips even in the pullback, in the counter trend. You understand? This is the beauty of daily chart. When you talk about those high volatility pairs such as GBP USD or USD JPY or Euro USD, all these pairs, even in the counter trade, give you at least 100 pips of profit, whether you buy them, whether you sell them, just because you are trading daily chart. If you do this on 4 hour, 1 hour, you will lose the money. Okay. So again, if it is the continuation of the downtrend, or it will just take down this new high, or create a new high, time will tell. But if you take long in GBPUSD, nobody can stop you from making at least 100 pips. Okay, that's what I have for you today. And I'm a fool to give you 100 pips just like that. So subscribe, like, and if you want to automate everything, then check out the swing trading and automation. We have discussed all this in the beginning. Join free Telegram. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.